Good morning. This is Esther at the Trucking Scribe. I was asked to do a couple of short videos on some pockets. So the first one that you're going to see is this one. It has like 1, 2, 3, and then if you glue the edges, you have 4 pockets. Here's another example, same thing, same pocket. So I'm going to show you both of them in this video. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
So I have my paper that I'm going to use. This is the right side up. It's towards my body. I'm going to fold. Hamburger, and then I'm going to fold it towards the hot dog side. And the lady's name that I heard that from today was Kit, but I can't remember her last name. But she does have videos, so I'm going to link her video to this since I am using her reference. I don't know where all that came from, but it works. Okay, so top towards me. And I'm going to fold this one almost to the line. This one I'm just going to do a little fold. And then I'm going to cut on this side, small side. I'm going to cut to the middle. And I'm going to trim this off. I'm going to trim this one off, and you can be neater about the folds if you want. I'll glue these little edges down so they don't come up. Okay. Then let me show you why I'm doing this. So you can leave this like this. It's beautiful, just like it is. But if you want to, you can take this little piece that you cut off and put right there. So short end, short little place, big place. And then we're going to just glue this in right there. Making sure that the writing is face up. So I'm going to use this for a Halloween journal, I think. This pockets. I love these colors. Now I'm going to have to go back and try and recreate with the distress inks these colors. So I'm going to do a little thumb notch so that you know the hole is there. Then this goes folded to the right. You fold up and under. So now we're going to do our gluing. So we're going to glue here. So over. Make sure your glue is not actually on the inside of your pocket like mine. Then I'm going to glue that down first. We'll put glue right here, across here. And you probably don't need all this glue. I'll put it there. So then I'm going to fold it up. Then I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to glue this edge and this edge. Now, I haven't worried too much about that back right here, this little bit that hangs off. I actually try to cut more, give that side more of the cut, because what happens is you can trim that off and you will never see it back there if you put it in a book. So now you have a pocket, 3 pockets, and you can actually make it 4 pockets right there. And we'll trim this up. See, I got a little over because that bottom got crooked. But you can fix that by just trimming. So there's one pocket. I usually sew down through here and across here and up here, but if I get my pockets done ahead of time, I do like to sew this edge and this edge, but if not, you know, don't worry about it. So thank you for watching. I hope that these kind of give you an idea of how to do these pockets. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And as always, thank you for coming by. And if you'd like to be notified in the future of more videos, please hit the subscribe button, and it should come up in your feed.